So I don't like unboxing videos that spend too long explaining what it is, so I'll do that really quickly. This is a Starkiller 2.0 from Christian Gayle, who you probably know from the various Starkiller groups and forums and things like that. So I've been waiting for this lightsaber for, I'm not going to say how long, but a very, very, very long time. It's been sat in customs for about a month, and it took about 3 weeks to come over to the UK from the US. Before that, in the post, I guess because of the pandemic, or the post is slow. So I don't know if this thing's going to have a charged battery or not. I'm very excited to see this. So, I mean, really, you should be honoured that I'm even recording an unboxing video, because I had to wait to do this, so I couldn't just rip it open, which is all I've wanted to do. So this should be a very special piece. I know Christian was sorry to see it go when it was finally finished. So you get to witness this with me. Okay, so bubble wrap, blah blah blah. Let's just push that over to the side. It looks like it's survived its journey relatively intact. There's no obvious damage to the box. Oh, here we go. Wow. Okay, let me just take this in. Crikey. So the first thing that strikes me is how authentic it feels, like an actual used thing, you know. It's not just beautiful and new like all the other lightsabers I've had have been, you know, bought from 89 Sabres or Vader's Vault, and they turn up in pristine condition, you know. This is the first kind of, you know, piece of art, I guess you would call this. This is a piece of art. And it looks exactly like I wanted it to. Exactly like I wanted it to. Wow, okay, so I'll try and talk through this. So it's a Corbanth 2.0, which has obviously been cut by Christian. It has the custom Saber Shop 1-inch blade holder, which has been milled down here to make it a bit thinner. Not as thin as the Wasp neck or the JK kit thing, which I didn't really want anyway. I didn't really like that look. But just a bit of it's given it a bit of a waistline just in there. And I think it's about right. I've got the kind of buttons. It's such a long time ago that I ordered these. I can't remember where they came from. I'm sure someone will know, or I can find out. I'll do a proper video of this afterwards. This is just an unboxing. I think Christian made this top section here. It's riveted. The crystal chamber, let's have a look in here. So it's really nice, nicely detailed. Actually, behind this mesh here, there are strips of Neopixel LEDs for accent lights. It's got cut down pins here and here because this shroud actually completely slides off, and as does this pommel. It just unscrews and slides off to reveal the chassis. So I'm not entirely sure how this top bit comes off yet. I'd probably have to loosen here, I think. I don't have the tool with me at the moment, so I'll leave that for now, but maybe I'll try and... Oh yeah, sorry, I wanted the copper as well adding, so Christian's done a really good job of adding that. I wanted these left as brass, not black, because I thought I can black them later if I want it black, but I kind of like all the different tones of metal going on. I kind of like that. There's one of Christian's blade plugs in there. It just looks absolutely fantastic. So good. I can't believe I'm finally holding it. So I'll see if I can remove this section here and we have a look at the chassis. So I would imagine it just, yeah, untwists. Yeah, there we go. Okay, so here's the chassis. So this reveals the second crystal chamber, just in there. And I think it's a Proffie 2.2, which is just sitting underneath here. There's a Bluetooth module, I believe, just behind here. And this is a 31mm speaker. So this thing is going to be loud. Here's the kill key. I suppose we should see if there's any charge left in this battery after its month or so in transit. Ooh, there is. Okay, so I've just got a single button operation on this, and it's actually that button there, little tactile switch. So I got Dimitri to do all of the Proffie coding for this. So I believe this pulse here is actually a battery level indicator, and I suppose green means we've got a decent amount of charge. So let's fire it up and see. Ooh. Look at that. Look at the LEDs cycling. Okay, let's... Okay, and then that goes back to a green. I don't know how I change with the one button, but just a push. No. Let's switch this off. Do I press and hold?
I'm ready.
Yeah. Really loving that. Okay, let's go for a different preset.
I'm ready.
Oh, we've got some multicoloured. See if I can get the exposure dialed down a little bit so you can see the colours. So I think this is a colour preset where the blade will be fading. It's one of FET's that will be fading through all colours, and obviously the crystal mimics that, and then the strobing LEDs do as well.
You can never escape me.
So I'm not sure. I'm not sure how you change colour with the one button. Do you double tap? Press and... I'll have to familiarise myself with the controls. Let's see how it bends. Wow.
close. I can sense Vader nearby.
There's a lot of sound coming out of this one here. I think that concludes the unboxing. I'm going to do a proper video. I'll get a blade on and I'll go through all the effects and stuff. But for now, oh look, you can just see the speaker through there. That's why it's so loud. Absolutely amazing. Yeah, what an absolute beast. This is just everything I wanted. Everything I wanted. Christian, thank you so... Oh, he's even got some heat staining here, look. Christian, thank you so much. I can't recommend Christian's work enough. It's just like having the real thing. It just looks so authentic. I'm over the moon.